of 48 previous matches as the cutback for Van Egmond. And in the 94th minute, Australia's persistence has paid off.
The first clash in Brisbane as Sam Kerr does well. Here's Courtney Vine, she was excellent off the bench in Brisbane. Back to Kerr, who cuts it for Fowler! Less than 2.5 minutes on the clock, and Sam Kerr sets up Mary Fowler.
And Chidiac does well, Gorry takes over. The effort, Gorry from distance! What a strike! And the Matildas are in front. And it's a wonder goal from the Wonder Mum.
Cooney cross. Oh, lovely football for Caitlin Ford. One-on-one. Caitlin Ford onto the right foot. Oh, and that's two. Amy Parker rubs. And Caitlin Ford's rich goal-scoring form continues. That's 4 in 3.